Hey guys, I'm really excited to bring you this brand new course where I'm going to show you how to build bigger biceps and shoulders in 4 weeks. If you look off to the left and to the right, this was a picture that I took just recently last week doing this exact course that you are about to take. But you may not know who I am, so let me just introduce myself. My name is Tim Ernst, and I was formerly on the Vince Del Monte Pro Team. I went through a major transformation where I lost 22 pounds of fat and built muscle at the same time. Now here's another progress pic where I actually went through different weeks. There's week 1, week 6, week 12, and week 18, just to give you an idea of some of the accomplishments that I was able to achieve by losing fat and building muscle. But this course is going to focus on how to build bigger biceps and shoulders in just 4 weeks. Now moving forward, here's a better pic off to the right where you can get a really good idea of what it takes to build muscle and shed fat. And I want to bring this to you guys and show you that you can do this, that it is possible. You can get in the best shape of your life. Again, I lost 22 pounds of fat while maintaining muscle mass in a very short amount of time. Now, before we move on, let me just show you a couple pictures. I was formerly on the Vince Del Monte Pro Team. This is me here off to the right, circled in red. We all, 12 of us, went through a major transformation and got in the best shapes of our lives in only 18 weeks, guys. So I know what it takes to build muscle, to shed fat, and we're gonna be focusing on building those arms and building those shoulders, okay? Now, the other thing that I've been featured on is a thing called Muscle Camp TV. It was on YouTube last year where they filmed all of our workouts here in my hometown, where we were able to build muscle and lose fat, and we actually showed you how to do it in these videos. It was a very impressive Muscle Camp TV. If you haven't checked it out, just type in Muscle Camp TV on YouTube and you'll see all the videos right there. Off to the right, there is me right there with the ropes where I was doing a really intense workout. This was a great workout for losing fat, and you can actually see my bicep there. You know, I was really training my biceps at the time, and I wanted to develop bigger shoulders so that way I could actually look good in my shirts. I mean, that's one thing that people really notice when you have bigger biceps. The other thing I want to mention, guys, is I'm actually the owner of turnaroundfitness.com, and this is what my blog looks like off to the right. So periodically I send educational announcements giving you guys free content, free articles that I write pertaining on 2 things: building muscle and losing fat. Now, one of the things you're going to get in this course is you're going to be able to build bigger, rounder, and sculpted shoulders that pop. The other thing you're going to do is you're going to add another 1 to 2 inches on your biceps and triceps in as little as 4 to 6 weeks. You're also going to be able to focus on your body's mass building potential into a single muscle group, arms and shoulders, and gain incredible size in a very short time frame. You're going to be able to blow up your arms and shoulders and literally force it into rapid growth. You're going to be able to bring up your stubborn arms and shoulders in the shortest time possible using light weight. And finally, guys, you will be on a different level than everybody else you know in the gym. I'm really excited, guys, to bring this course to you. We're going to focus on building arms and shoulders. And in future courses, I'm going to show you how to build your chest and your back. But for right now, guys, if you're interested on building bigger arms and bigger shoulders, I would encourage you to check out this course by hitting the green button off to the right. Okay, guys, I will see you in the course.